Guys, we made it.
Have fun, everybody.
Good luck, everyone. Say hi.
Here we go.
They're streaming for people back in Bosnia right now. Come on.
Keep going, keep going.
So make sure you stay in your seats so you can cheer them on during the first half. Now at halftime, those fans, this is exciting. You know, Bucket Boys perform a lot, but they only so far at halftime every so often. When they do, they typically bring a little extra. Tonight they have some special guests joining them, so please stay in your seats. It's going to be an amazing performance. And speaking of amazing performances, of course, we have the Chicago Love Bulls, another incredible performance at the second half, so you're going to want to stay in your seats so that energy keeps going. We can keep cheering on the team. And there's one more thing I want everybody to know right now, is that you can take your Chicago Bulls anywhere you want right now. Of course, with the mobile and Chicago Sports Network app, that's right, you can get the Bulls, the Blackhawks, and the White Sox right there. All you gotta go do is go to chsn.com for more information, or scan that QR code you see on the big board right now to get that home screen advantage. Now, Bulls fans, of course, Sunday was a big night for Chicago, and tonight's another big night for Chicago, so we want you to bring that energy right now. We want you to get loud and make some noise. So right now I'm getting really excited with a Go Bulls on the count of three. Is everybody ready? I hope you are. 1, 2.
Kamera će sastanak od suradnje.
Nije moj.
let's hear it for Good Bosco.
They made a BIA.
Oh, you can't really see it from here.
Wave it! Wave your
One more time, let's hear it for Good Bosco.
Yeah. All right, guys.